where is I asked you to write some answers to the questions. Did anyone? If not, just complete it. Okay. So last session where we stopped. What we discussed in the last session. Hmm? Last session, what we discussed. Come on. Last session, what we discussed. Hmm? We discussed about array methods, right?
Yeah,
Array
it's called.
methods and string methods, right? Yes, sir. Actually, we worked on array methods. Okay. I asked you to walk through one video. Did you? Did anyone? Array methods. Array methods video also I shared in the group. Did anyone? Hmm? No. Rajesh?
No, sir, didn't get a chance.
Good chance. Okay. So, yeah, completed that one. Okay. Okay then. So the next one is like string methods. So tell
Sir,
me,
you shared like demo classes, right?
which
In
one?
the group.
Oh, JavaScript sessions playlist I shared, and I shared
Oh,
one more extra video also. Okay, that is only related to array methods class. All array methods.
okay. Can
Hmm.
you reshare? Yeah, yeah, I see it. Yeah, okay, got it. I will watch this one today.
Yeah. So whenever you create a variable, something like this, can you tell me what is the type of name? What is the type of name?
String.
Okay, it's a string. Okay, it's a string. But whenever you write like this, what do you think about the name? Do you think about the name?
Object.
It's like object or not? It is like an object. But here it is showing like type is like a string. But here you are using like an object means in between something is happening or not? Yes or no? So what conversion? What kind of conversion happened? Whenever you consume a member using this string reference internally, up to here it's like normal string only. Whenever you executed this statement, okay, what is my statement? Name dot. Come on. What is my statement? Name dot
Index of.
index of or name dot something. Okay, conversion is what? What is the conversion? My name
String to object.
becomes like an object of which class? An object of which class?
String
String
class.
class or not? Whenever it is like an object of string class, in the string class, how many members are there? All the members can access or not? Yes or no? Okay. Now, if you come here, so inspect it. Now go to the console where name equals to such. Okay. The type of name or my type of name, two syntaxes, either you can use this or either you can use this. The type is what? String, it's not an object. But whenever you write, okay, index of, okay, n, it gives me some, it gives me some result. You are doing this operation means it is what kind of operation? You are doing this operation means it's what kind of operation this is?
Accessing members of class.
Yeah, it is like an object accessing some members using object reference or not. By using object reference, you are accessing the members means okay, that's okay. This is valid syntax only, but name is object or not by default. No. In between, what happened? There is a conversion. What is that conversion? My name equals to something like this. It is going to convert or not. New string of what? Sachin or not. Okay, now my name is what? Is an object of which class? My name is an
In
object of which
class.
class?
String
String
class.
class or not? Whenever you have an object of string class, what you can do? Whenever you have an object of string class, what you can do?
Access methods of string class.
Yeah, you can access the members of the string class or not. Now tell me how we can see the members of a string class. First of all, string is what kind of class? In JavaScript, there has two types of classes over there, right? One is like
Functional class and
functional
class
classes.
hidden
Another
class.
one is like class keyword classes. Okay, so my string is what kind of class?
Functional
Functional.
class.
Functional class, right? Starts with F and capital is there means it's a kind of functional class or not. My string is a functional class. Yes or no? My string is a functional class. How we can see the members of the functional class? Do we have any direct members over there?
No.
No.
No. How we can see the if the
Data
direct
type.
members are there? Okay. Okay. You can see it. Not only direct members, right? There may be chance of inherited members also or not in the class. How we can see the inherited members of a class? How we
Prototype.
can see the prototype string dot prototype. So these many methods, these many members you can say, these many members are there in the string class for what purpose? Okay, to perform some operations on the string or not. Agreed? All okay? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to cover some methods now. Okay, take scenarios now. Okay, take scenarios. Okay, important. Can you tell me the data format which represents three players? Okay, listen. Can you tell me the data format which represents how many players? Three players. Each and every player has name or runs location. Tell me the data format how should looks like.
Dictionary.
That is Python. That is Python. Hmm? Go on. In JavaScript, how we can. On.
Key value pair.
Key value pair, okay. My question understood. How many players I said? How many players I said? Come on. How many players I said?
Three players, you said?
Three players. If you want to represent multiple players, if you want to represent
JSON.
multiple
JSON
players,
object.
JSON.
you said JSON, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
JSON.
JSON or not? JSON or not?
Mm.
Okay, JSON object or JSON array na? JSON object or JSON array?
JSON array.
JSON array na? JSON array. So how? Where or constant or let, where constant or let you can use it. Okay, my data equals to JSON array. Okay, done. How many players?
Three players.
Three players. Okay, he said like only player with string. Okay, each and every player has their okay own details like name, row, okay, name, location, runs.
And
Come on,
they have their own data.
they have their own data or not?
Yeah.
They have their own data. So tell me, if you want to represent something about one player, if you want to represent something about one player or one student or one person, How we can represent? Come on. If you
Within
want to,
curly braces, name, location, and runs.
what you can say that curly braces? What you can say that curly braces?
JSON object.
JSON object, yes. Okay. JSON object.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, in the JSON object, how it looks like?
Key value
Name.
pair.
Key value
Yeah.
pair. Okay, tell me one by one. Key value pair. Okay. Done. So here, can I say like key value pair? Yes. What is my key? Name searching. Okay, how many? Location Mumbai. And runs 20,000. Something like this or not? Like this, how many players required?
3.
3 players, right? So this is my actual data format. Agreed? Okay, name equals to Saurav. Delhi. Done. These are like the data format or not. Okay, so my question understood, right? Tell me the data format to represent 3 players. Okay, each player contains name, location, and runs. Name, location, runs. This okay, fine. So my question is, can you get the players who has like more than 10,000 runs? I want to get the players who hits more than 10,000 runs. Tell me, how many players are there? More than 10,000.
1.
Greater than 10,000. 1. So that player I want now. That player I want now. Tell me how we can
Filter.
filter. Okay, tell me something about the filter. Tell me something about the filter. Come on. Tell
Uh,
me something
First
about the
argument
filter.
is the function.
So, first of all, filter is which type? Filter is which type?
Function.
Method.
It's a method. Inside which class?
List.
List. List. Filter is the method inside the list. In JavaScript, what? Array, right?
Array.
Array. Array or not. So, my data type is what? What is the type of my data?
Array.
Array. So, it is like an array, na array object. My data type. It is an array or array object.
Arrays.
Array.
Array or array object. Array
Object.
object, right? That's the reason directly we are going to filter the data, na? Like this, you can write it or not. If you are able to write like this, means data is an object or data is like a class.
Object.
Object. Data is an object of which class? Data is an object of which class?
Array.
Array
class.
class or not? In the array class, how many members are there? So many. So many members are there. How we can see those members? See, how we can see? These many members are there. As you said, what is this method?
Filter.
Filter is the method or not? Filter is the method. Now tell me. I have 100 players are there. I want to filter. I want the players who hit greater than 10,000 runs. Okay, here 3 were there. In future, 300 players are there. What's wrong with that? But I want to filter the players who hit like greater than 10,000. Tell me. Data dot,
Data dot filter.
data dot filter. Filter is which
All
type?
about that.
See,
Method.
you don't know anything. Me also don't know anything. Just explore. Okay, data dot filter. Can I click on enter? By seeing this one, what you can understand? What is the type?
Functional method.
No, F with small. F with class, functional class. F with small,
Method.
method or a function. Okay, how we can decide it's a method or a function? If you access with the reference data dot, then the time it's a method or a function.
Method.
Method. It's a method. So I confirmed my filter is a method. In your hand, one method is there. What you can do? You can call it.
Call it.
Next. Come on. Now, can I click on enter? What is the error message? What is the error message?
Undefined is not a function.
Undefined is not a function. By seeing this error message, what you can understand?
You have to pass one callback function in the
Now, at this moment, you not passed anything. That the reason the value is what? Undefined. The value is like undefined. Now, what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to pass one value. What is that value? Undefined
Function.
is not a function means you have to pass what? Function. If you not pass function, if you pass like 10, what exactly the error you can get it?
integer,
10
not
is not a function.
10 is not
Number
a
10
function.
is
Not
not
a
a function or not. Number 10 is not a function. See, those values are like, okay, Python. Okay, this one is like similar kind of small differences. Okay, don't think more about that message. Okay, see, number 10 is not a function or not. Okay, perfect. Now I can understand like my data dot filter is a method. My first argument should be
callback function.
one function. One function. What kind of function? Named or anonymous?
Anything.
Anything. So that one time uses, then you want me to go with what?
Anonymous.
Anonymous. Always better to go with one time uses, go with the anonymous memory management wise. Okay, this is the best option. So can I write like a function? Okay, na? Done. So if you click on enter, my filter returns me what?
Array of
Array. Array. Filter return type is array. You are expecting array of what? The players who hit greater than 10,000 runs. Yes or no? So my question is, this function is there, na? You are given to whom? You given this function to whom?
filter.
Filter, right? Yes or no? What my filter is going to do?
It will call that
Call.
function.
Yeah, I given one function to you means what you can do? You can call it, right? In your hand, one function is there. There is no other option. You have to call it. So my question is, this function called by filter, yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, prove it.
And print some statement.
Can I put like console.log of, okay, called, yes or no? This one we discussed last time, right? Yeah. So how many times it's called?
3 times.
Why 3 only exactly? Why not 5 or
Because
6? Why?
we have
Because
3 elements in that
elements
array.
are there or not? Perfect. Okay. Now this function called by filter. While calling, possibility tell me they may pass some arguments also or not. Possibility there or not there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, my question is this function called by filter that is already proved by passing how many arguments?
3.
Okay, why not? Okay, I'm telling like 4. Okay, you said like 3. Prove it.
Right.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, pass
You
parameter
can
and
random
print.
access and
Some
print.
random values you can pass it. In JavaScript, if value not passed or not assigned, what is the default value?
Undefined.
Undefined.
Undefined. Value undefined means I can understand like what? Value not passed, right? Yes or no? Now, if you come here, call would leave it, a value there, B value there, C value is there, D and E, what is the value?
Undefined.
Undefined. So I can understand like my filter call the callback by passing how many parameters?
3
3.
parameters.
3 parameters. Okay, my first parameter is what? First parameter is what? What is this?
Array.
Value.
Array. Is it array?
Array.
Oh, object.
Object.
What is this object? Your first element, right? Element in the array. Yes or no? One.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The second one is what?
Index.
Index. And my third one is what?
Original array.
Your actual array, your input array or not? Original array. Done? Huh? Understood? Okay then. Now my question again. Second argument type is what? Second argument type is what? Number. Third argument type is what?
Array.
Okay. These two never change. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's always number. Original array, filter you are calling means filter I can call on what? Arrays only, right? That is my original array or not? Both are like arrays only. How about the first argument? What is the type of first argument?
Object.
At this moment, object. Perfect. Okay. Is it like always object? Huh?
No.
No,
No.
right? For example, my array contains numbers. Then the time my first element is what? First number.
Number.
Yes. So at this moment, my element is like what? Object. Perfect. Which contains, you know, about the object. Okay. My object contains what? Properties. How we can
Property.
get the data? Using dot notation or square bracket notation. Yes or no? Now tell me, at this moment, my object contains how many properties?
3.
Three
Three
properties.
properties. Based on your requirement, on which property you want me to perform some operation?
1.
Runs.
Runs.
Runs. How we can get the runs?
Element.
Element dot runs. Now element dot runs. Which type?
Number.
Number. Okay. As per your business requirement, what do you want me to do?
Greater than
Greater
10,000.
than 10,000 or not? Okay. Now tell me, this result you want to keep with my callback, you have to tell to my filter.
Filter.
Filter. Then only, right? Filter can give us, okay, the result. Yes or no? So how we can give the value to the caller?
Return.
Return.
Written or not. Now, whenever you return, you can get the player who hit like more than 10,000 runs or not. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. Now my question is, I want the player whose name is starts with yes, either lowercase or uppercase. Whose name is like starts with yes. So I'm expecting the result is like what? I'm expecting the result is like
True or
what?
false.
No, I'm expecting the result is like whose. I'm. My question is get the players whose name starts with yes, whether it is like
Sachin.
capital or small. Okay, Sachin and Saurabh.
Saurabh.
I'm
Saurabh.
expecting. Let's go.
Data dot filter.
Again, filter only. Data dot filter. Okay.
Pass.
Now I'm going to ask like highlight. I'm going to highlight here. You can tell me the type. What is the type?
Here.
Fast.
Array. Object.
No, array.
Array. Sorry.
Data is an array. What is the type?
Function.
Now
Method. Data dot filter is which type? It's a method, right?
method.
Now, what is this whole type?
Full type is.
Array, na. Whatever the statement gives me the result, that is only the type, na.
Array.
Array type or
Array.
not? Yes or no? My array, okay, my filter, call this callback by passing how many parameters?
3
Three.
parameters.
3 parameters. Okay, index original array. Yes. Now this time you want to perform some operation on what?
Name.
Name.
Element
element is
name.
an object dot name.
Name.
Okay. Now see, I'm going to highlight. Tell me the type. What is the type of ELE?
It's object.
Object. Correct. ELE dot name.
Method.
String.
Method.
Value.
String. String. ELE dot name is like a string. In your hand, one string is there. What you can do with that string? In your hand, one string is there. What you can do? You can perform some operations on the string or not. Let's check. Where
Dot
name
start.
equals to yes, yes, EHIN. Yes. You have a string. Can you perform some operations on the string?
Yes.
What operation you want me to perform?
Starts with.
Yeah, starts with yes or not. I have to check it. Now, where is the starts with? You said starts with, right? Where is the starts with? My
Name.
name dot
String
starts
class.
with there or not there? This is the method inside which class?
String class.
String class. How we can see the string class methods? Proto.
Not prototype.
Now, if you come here, now see somewhere you can find what? Somewhere you can find starts with or not. Yes or no? Can I use this? Starts with is which type?
Method.
Method. Perfect. Method. So my ELE dot name is a string. On the string, I can call my string class methods or not. Conversion, you know that. Starts with what?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you want the result with you, or you want me to give this result to filter?
Return.
Filter.
Return. Now, if you come here, you get like such. But I'm expecting like what?
Sachin, Saurav.
Sachin and Saurav, na? So what change is required? JavaScript is like a case sensitive or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's the reason. Okay, I want to convert whatever the value into either uppercase or lowercase. Yes or no? Okay, now tell me. First of all, I have a string. I have a string. That string I want to convert into lowercase or uppercase. Okay, tell me how we can. My
Name
dot
dot two lowercase.
lowercase is there or not? Okay, two lowercase. Now again, name is which type? Come on.
String
Lowercase. Name dot two lowercase.
is method.
Method. Okay. Name dot two lowercase call.
String.
Yes, string. String in the lowercase. That's okay. String only, right? If you have a string, can you call string class methods again? It's a kind of chaining. Which method?
Start.
Starts with what? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now name is a string. Okay. I call two lowercase. It's a method. Name dot two lowercase call string. So I can call any other string methods also or not? Yes or no? So can I use this? Now, if you come here, this is the one. Okay. Now, two lowercase name dot or ELE dot two lowercase and starts with what? Yes. Okay. ELE two lowercase is not a function. It means what? Come on. It means what?
And
Well,
My element dot, right? My element object. See, okay, can anyone explain me this message? Why this message? Explain. Why this message? Explain me. Why this error message? What is the reason behind that?
it expecting a function, but it got other function.
Okay, but you have to explain something different.
element dot it is
Very
there
simple.
no method is located inside the element.
Very simple. Element is which type?
Object.
Object.
Perfect. Object dot two lowercase. Is my object class contains two lowercase method? Two lowercase inside where?
String.
String. But you are accessing inside. Okay, you are accessing by using which reference? Object. So object dot two lowercase, there or not there? In the
No.
object, two lowercase is there or not there? Simply where obj equals to n1, 10, n2, 20. Okay, na? n2, 20. Obj dot n1, there or not there?
Yeah. There.
There. So you can get the result. Obj dot n3, there or not there?
Not
No.
Not there. Then what is the answer? Undefined.
Undefined.
So that ELE dot two lowercase is what? Having value na undefined.
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 Can I use undefined as a function? Tell me.
No.
No, right? Okay, you are using this call means this value should be what? Function. But you received what? Undefined, right? That the
Yes.
reason ELE dot two lowercase is not a function.
Function.
Understood?
Mm.
Okay, so that on ELE don't want to perform some operation on ELE dot, come on, ELE dot name. Now ELE is an object dot name. It's a string. On string I can call two lowercase. My two lowercase method call returns me again string. On string again I can call what? My string class method, any method. And this one finally, okay, returns me what? A Boolean value. Based on the Boolean value, my filter the values or not. So finally, you can get like what? Sachin and Saurav or not? Agreed? Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. So now my data is like 3 players. These 3 players are belongs to which team? India team only. So my question is, all 3 players have, okay, every player have 3 properties, right? Every player has like 3 properties. Yes or no? So I want to add one more property for all the players. Okay, which property? You know, Team India. The property is like Team India. Come on. The property is like Team India. I want to add for all these 3 players. That means so far each player has how many properties so far?
3.
3. Now I want to add one more property. What? Team is the key. India is the value. Come on.
Yeah, we have to use map method.
Perfect. Okay. Using map method, we can do it or not? Okay. Can you tell me? Come on.
Data.map
Data.map. Next.
takes a callback method.
Callback function. Same syntax I said. Next. Callback function called by passing how many parameters?
3.
Callback function called by passing how many parameters?
3.
3.
3 parameters, right? 3 parameters. What are those?
Element, index, original array.
And the original array or not? Element is which type in this case? In this case,
Object.
which type? Is an object or not? Okay, which contains how many properties?
3.
3 property.
3 properties. Now tell me, my map actually returns me what?
Array.
Map returns me what? Array. Array. Of how many elements it's going to return?
3.
3. Why not 4? Why not 2 or something? Why not?
Originally, it
Because
has
in that
3.
array, 3 elements are there, right?
Exactly. The original array, how many properties are there? Those many values, those many elements it's going to return or not. Okay, na? Perfect. Now, okay, here, why it is like undefined? Why it is like undefined?
Because we're not
It's
returning anything.
Why it is like undefined? Okay, no problem. Now, if you write like 10, why it is like 10?
Because you're returning 10.
Why it is like undefined now?
Not
Return.
returning anything.
Not written anything. If you not written anything, what is the default value in JavaScript?
Undefined.
Undefined. So my map always returns me an array of How many elements? My array has how many? Original array has how many elements? That many elements. With which value means that value is depending upon your callback return value or not. Yes or no? Whatever the callback returns to map, that one only, right? Map give to us. Yes or no? Now the callback returns me what? Undefined. So that first iteration undefined given. Second one also undefined only. Third one also undefined only. Yes or no? You want like undefined, you want like a players with 4 properties.
Player with 4 properties.
4 properties. Now, come on. Now, if you write like this, player with how many properties? Come on, whatever object, that object only given, right? So my object by default has how many properties?
3.
3.
3 properties. You want 3, or you want 4?
4.
4. Then what you have to do? You have an object. I want to insert one property in the object or not? You know, right? How to insert the data in the object? Tell me.
Yes. Of
How we can? How we can
ELE
insert the data?
dot
ELE
or of
dot, ELE dot
team
team India.
in
Yes or no? Now you can return, see, whatever you return, that is only output. So what you return? Previous 3, I added one more property, 4 total. 4 properties, one object I'm returning. Now, how many times I return? 3 iterations, 3 times I return. Now see, each and every player has the property called as Team India or not. Agreed?
yes, sir.
Come on. Okay then. Now my question, one more question. Is all players or belongs to India? Just I want a yes, no answer. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, prove it. Show me that result. Is all players belongs to India team?
Yeah, get team from each element.
Get the team from each element. Then what do you want me to do?
Check if it is India.
Okay, that is one option. Okay, we have a specific method is there, I said, right? Hey, can you hear me? Disconnected. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, write that condition. Tell me. Data dot, which method? Every. Okay, there is no change in the syntax. Function. This function called by passing how many arguments?
3.
3 arguments. Okay, element to index this one. I don't want remaining, just leave it. Okay, now element. Now element. Tell me. What you want me to check?
Dot team
Dot team is which type?
India.
India.
India is a string is equals to, can I write India? Yes or no? Now can I return? Now see, each player is like the team is like India, so that I can say all the players are belongs to India or not. Yes or no? Agreed?
Yep.
Next, minimum one player come from Mumbai or not? I want to check it. Minimum one player belongs to Mumbai region or not? I want to check it. Minimum one player.
Some
Any
data.
Minimum one player. Some. Okay.
so
Now element dot Come on, location is equals to what? Mumbai or not? Yes or no? Minimum one player from Hyderabad or not? Yes or no? Is there any player from Hyderabad location?
No.
No, right? So that my output is like what? My output is like false. Understood? Hmm?
Yes.
Agreed? Any questions, anyone? Okay, most of the times you are going to work with okay, either the data is in the array format. Yes or no? My data in the come on, in general, my data in the which format? Come on,
Alright.
my data in the object format, right? Object. Or my data in the string format or number, these only, right? So that if you know the methods, then that time you can perform some operations on the data or not. Agreed?
Yes.
So for good. Any questions, anyone? Okay, okay then. The next one. Up to you, okay?
Yeah.
Now, from your end, I'm going to share you the video too. Okay, from your end, can you explore, how to, if you don't know also, how to explore the method functionality, or not? Yes or no? If you don't know
Yes.
also, okay, how to explore it, or not? Okay, na? So, can you explore the string methods, array methods anyway? We done. But string methods, can you do from your end?
Okay, so
Okay, can just explore those. Okay, okay then. Now the next topic is like, okay, I have one small requirement is there. Tell me how we can do it. Okay. So this is my browser. This is my browser actually. And here there has one button is there. Okay. In the browser, I loaded like one file. Okay. Which files are going to load in the browser? Which files are going to render inside the browser?
HTML.
Here in the HTML, there has one button is there. My button is what? Get, come on, users is my button. Okay, na? Get users is my button. See, just think I am like a team lead. You are like my team members. Okay, just individually. Okay, I am assigning this task to you. Just feel like that. Okay. Now I said like, hey, if whenever you click on the get users button, can you get the users? Can you display in the tabular format? I said, okay, simply as a lead, okay, I said like, okay, create one form. Inside the form, one button is required. Whenever you click on the button, okay, get the users and display the users in the tabular format. I said simply. Now, if I said that statement only, what is your next level question to me? General, don't think more.
we need to ask whether that uses in which DB. Like,
Yeah, you have to ask like, hey man, you said like users, I can display it, but where the users are, you have to tell that users or not. Where that users are, yes or no? Hmm? Okay, now if you ask that question to me, just I'm telling like, okay, possibilities you tell. Okay, you can ask, you can tell, hey man, the users are where in the variable, in the file, in the database, or something else. Where my users are, like that you have to ask or not a question. Yes or no? Okay, just I said like, hey man, the users are in the storage in the database. The users are in the DB, I said. Okay. In the database, you have the users. Okay, done. I said like in the database, users are there. Now, what is your next level question to me? Come on. What is your next level question?
DB connection string.
Yeah. Hey, okay. I am just, you are like a front-end engineer, okay? Whenever I click on the button, you said like the users in the database. But I am the front-end developer. My applications are going to run where? In the browser. From my browser, I am not able to directly communicate with the database. Yes or no? Yes or no? That
Yeah.
is, that kind of future is not there in the front-end technologies or not. Yes or no? Tell me some front-end technologies, what do you know? Or client-side technologies, tell me.
React,
Hmm.
Angular.
One is like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and on top of which libraries are there? React is
Yeah.
there. Okay. Angular is there.
Mhm.
Next, Vue.js is there. Like this,
Next.
different libraries, frameworks are there or not. But which are loaded inside the browser, those are like come under client-side technologies. Those are not having the future to communicate with the database. That means simply you can say like I'm not able to communicate with the database. Yes or no? Then the time you want me to leave that requirement, we should not, right? Then what's your question? I'm not able to communicate with the database. Okay, so I need some help to communicate with whom? Come on, communicate with the
Service stream.
database to get the data or not. Okay, so what kind of help is required in between me and the database, in between client application and my database? What kind of help is required? Who can talk with the database? Okay, can give the data from the database to me or not? That kind of person help is required or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So who is that guy?
Server application.
Yeah, there has, you can say like one middleware help is required. Yes or no? One middleware help is required. Okay, that middleware is also one kind of application only. That application we can develop by using some of the technologies. Tell me this middleware application which can talk with the database and perform some operations on the database. What kind of operations you can perform in the DB in general?
So to
Get
update it.
Update, delete, retry. That's it. Yes or no? So that kind of application I want to develop or not. Okay, for that I want to select, I want to use some technologies. Which technologies you want me to use? One,
Python, Java.
Python.
.NET, PHP. Yes, you said Python. Next, Salesforce. Next, any Node.js. Okay, like this, multiple technologies are there or not? Yes or no? You can choose any one of the technology to create one middleware application or not. Yes or no? You can create one middleware application or not. Okay, na? So once this application created, okay, this application talk with whom now? A database. Now, as a client-side developer, you have to talk with the database or you have to talk with middleware application. Come on, you have to talk with database or you have to talk with middleware application now.
Middle.
Middleware.
Middleware application, right? This middleware application you can develop by using which technologies? These technologies we can say like a server side, okay, server side technologies we can say. These are client, these are server side terminology wise. So the technologies which used to create which kind of applications you can say? Server side applications or not? Yes or no? So this middleware application, can I call terminology wise server side application or backend application or not? Okay, na? Who can work on this backend application? You are like a front-end engineer, you don't know about the backend. Okay, some person is going to work on this backend application or not. Agreed? So for good, the flow. So now tell me, he has a okay client side developer. If you want to get the data from the database, you have to talk with whom? Database or server-side application?
Server-side application.
Server-side application or not. So this is the client-side application. If my client-side application talk with the server-side application, okay. So what inputs are required? That is my first question. We'll see that. Now my client communicate with the server application. Terminology-wise, what we can say? Request. I requested something to you to get the data from the database. That is my request. So once my request processed by this guy and give the response back to whom? Give the response back to whom?
Client.
Requested person or not? Who is that requested person? Who is that requested person? Okay, in this case, my browser or not? Yes or no? In this case, my browser. So client communicate with the server application, I can say request, and my server application communicate with the client, I can say, come on, I can say
Response.
response or not. So in my client side, this guy handle what? Come on, sending request and come on, send the request and come on and receive
Get a
the
response.
response or not, receive the response or not. So in the client side applications, if you want to send a request and receive the response, how you can handle means there has one technique is there. What is the technique? Ajax.
Yes.
What is that one? Ajax. Ajax. By using this Ajax technique, we can send, come on, we can send the request
Request.
and we can receive the response or not. We can send the request and we can receive the response. Send the request to whom? Come on, send the request to whom?
Server-side
Server-side
Application.
application or not? Server-side application. Perfect. Now just think. You are the client-side developer. Okay. Now the server-side developer, some other person or not. Okay. Now, if you want to talk with him, okay, directly, if you want to talk with him directly, for example, you are the client-side guy, okay, client-side application, I am the server-side application. If you want to talk with me, what mandatory inputs are required directly if you want to talk? Come on. If you want to talk with me directly, what input is required? For
You
example,
are
if you want to meet with me today, what you required?
address.
Address, right? Perfect. Address. Where you are residing, that address is required, right? Then only, right? You can come and talk with me. Yes or no? Here also, my client-side application talk with whom?
Server-side
Server-side
application.
application. Where is my server-side application? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So that if this guy want to talk with this guy where he is, that address is required or not? In our software terminology, address is nothing but what?
URL.
URL, right? So that if my client want to send a request, the mandatory input is what? First mandatory input.
URL.
URL is nothing but address. So my question is, this is the mandatory input. Who provide this URL? Who supposed to be provide? You want to talk with me directly means the address who has to provide?
Server-side application.
Yes, me only has to provide, right? Hey man, I'm here. You can come and talk with me. Like this. Okay, who has to provide that address? My server side guy only provide the address to my client side person or not? Yes or no? So tell me first question. If my client want to send an Ajax request, the mandatory input is what?
URL.
URL. Who provide that URL to you?
Server-side application.
Server side guy. No need to bother about that one. Okay, na? Done. Now, is this URL is enough syntactically or some extra things are required?
We need request method.
Yeah, there has one more mandatory input also required. That is what? Method. That is called as a request method. Now, again, this request method also who provide?
Server-side.
server side guy only, but okay, URL is okay. That is like straight, okay, straight thing. Okay, what is this request method means? Very simple. Request method decided by the server side guy based on the DB operation. Okay, first, who perform the operations on the DB? Server side developer, client side developer? Tell me.
Server
Tell me
side.
directly. Server side guy, right? What kind of operations he perform? You
Insert,
said like
update, delete, retrieve.
insert, update, delete, retry. Retry. These operations they are going to perform or not. Now, based on the DB operations, my server side guy decide the request method. Okay, very simple. Okay, take one simple scenario. Anyone tell me? Database. Okay, these four operations I want to perform on the database. One real time, one simple scenario. Tell me what you. That scenario should include these four operations.
Like
Any
insert
operation.
in any class, you can insert the student,
Yeah.
update
Okay.
the
Very
student.
simple, right? Okay, I have a school. Today, one new student joined. Okay, that means one new record insert within the students, okay, within the students table or students collection or not. Yes or no? Tell me. That means a new student inserted. Whenever in the DB a new data inserted, then that time my request method is what you know. Can anyone guess? Post. What is the request method? Post. Okay, done. So today student joined in my school. Okay, 1 year completed. After that, okay, they just change their address. Okay, one location to another location. The residential address is like changed. Whenever the residential address changed, then that time you want me to delete the entire student and you want me to register again. You want me to just update the address. You know that. What you
Update.
have to do? Update the address or not. So my operation is like update. Then that time, what kind of method you are going to use? Put
Patch or put.
patch. Okay, you know that. Patching is nothing but what? Patch works. Small works is nothing but only address change. Patch you can put it. Address I want to change, my phone number I want to change, my email I want to change. The multiple things I want to change it. Then that time, okay, you can go with the put. So partial updation, what is the method? Patch. Fully updation, what is the method?
Put.
Okay, done na? Okay then. So far how many methods we covered? Post, put, patch. Who decide these methods? On which basis these methods are like decided?
Database operation.
Yeah, who decide? Server side developer. Based on which operation? DB operations or not? Agreed? All are okay? Come on.
Yes.
Based on the DB operations. The next one is what? Come on, next one is what? Delete. Okay, so after 5 years, just they decided to left. Then the time, okay, that student record is required or not required for me? Not required. Okay, just you can delete it. At least inactivate it. Okay, delete. Now the next one, I am the principal. Just how many students are there in this class? Okay, overall school, how many students are there? I want to retrieve the information or not. Then, okay, which method we are going to use? Get is the method. Understood? Okay, frequently used methods, these are. Color, okay? So, if you want to send an Ajax request, or send a request, what mandatory inputs are required? URL and
Request method.
request method. Those two who given to my client side developer, who supposed to be give? Server side guy or not? Okay, you no need to bother about. You are the client side developer. You no need to bother about what? URL and
Request method.
request method or not? Who provide? Server side guy provide. Okay, na? Done. Then what is your responsibility? Come on, what is your responsibility? Tell me, you are the client side developer. What is your responsibility?
Send request.
You have to design this form first. Yes or no? Take the HTML, create the button. Okay. Now click on the button, right? Click on the button. Whenever you click on this particular button, I want to perform some operation or not. What kind of operation you want me to perform? One, sending a request and receive the response. Sending the request and receive the response. Which technique you want me to use?
Ajax.
Ajax. So that you have to handle Ajax at the time of clicking on the button. Yes or no? To send
Yeah.
the request, what mandatory inputs are required? URL, request method. Who provide that URL and request method?
Server
Server
side.
side developer. Let's think. I am the server side guy. You are the client side developer. Okay, na? Just think like that. I am the server side developer. You are the client side developer. Do your work. Okay, I am also do my work. Okay. So your work is what? As a client side developer, what is your do? What is your responsibility? Come on, as a client side developer, your responsibility is what?
Provide
Client
the
side guy.
URL and request method to the client.
Yeah, you have to create the form first. You have to create one form. Okay. Can I write like? Okay, the form is like ajax1.html. Okay, done. Next. What is the next one? Come on, what is the next one? What do you want me to do? When's the developer?
Create one button, get users.
You have to create the button or not? So can I create the button? Okay. Button get users. Create the button, get the users. Done. Okay, na? Okay, done. Now can we run it? Yes. Okay, next. What is the next one? What is the next one?
On click.
Yeah, click on the button, right? If you click on the button, I want to perform some operation or not. So click on the button is nothing but what you know. It's a, come on, it's an event, right? You have to trigger one event on one element or not. Yes or no? If you want to trigger one event on one element, what inputs are required to you? What inputs are required? Can you guess? What inputs are required? First, event is required. Yes or no? Event is required. Event triggered on what? Element. Element is required or not? Yes or no? So now at this moment, what you have? Element. What you needed?
Event.
Event. Which event? How many events are there in JavaScript? Don't worry. Go to the console. Just type on. See, these many events are there in JavaScript. How many events are there? These many events are there in JavaScript. Agreed? Come on. Okay. Which event for your requirement? Which event for your requirement?
On click.
Suitable. On click. Can you type click? See, there are not there? Yes or no? So this is my event at this moment. It's keep on changing based on your operation. Okay, na? Sometimes double click, sometimes it's like on change, sometimes blur, sometimes resize, sometimes submit. Like this, multiple events are there at this moment. Okay, this is my event. Okay, I have an event, I have an element. Both there are not there are inputs. What is my event? Tell me. What is my
On
element?
click.
Tell me. What is my element?
Button. Button.
Yes. Okay, once you have an event to element, what is the next step you have to do? Tell me.
Some operation.
Bind an event to that element. Yes or no? You have to bind this event to this element or not? Yes or no? So my question is how? Tell. How to bind an event to the element?
Within the element we have to write.
Attribute format. At this moment in the attribute format. Okay, attribute is nothing but what? Key value pair. Placed where? In the element which tag? Open tag or not. So this is the one. Okay, attribute is nothing but what? It's a key value pair. Key value pair placed where? In the open tag. What is the key and what is the value? You decide now. Which key? What is the key here? My key is, come on, what you have? My key is
On click.
event name or not, on click. Okay, done. What is the value? Can anyone guess?
Function handler.
See, in this case, whenever you click on the button, I want to perform some operation. What operation you have to perform? Tell me in your own words. Tell me what operation you want me to perform. Come on, in your own words, tell me.
We have to connect with the server.
You have to send a request to the server and receive the response, right? You have to write some lines of code or not? Yes or no? So if you want to write some lines of code which is related to some functionality, where you can write those functionality inside the function? Yes or no? So that I want to create one function now. Tell me in the HTML, how we can tell this block is belongs to JavaScript, this block is belongs to CSS, how we can tell?
Script tag.
Yeah, if
Yes.
this block is belongs to CSS, how we can tell? Style tag. Okay, this block is belongs to JavaScript, how we can tell? Script tag or not. This kind of styling, what we can say terminology wise? Internal styling. This kind of script, what we can say terminology wise? Internal script or not. Not only internal, inline styling, inline scripting, external styling, external scripting also there. I will tell. Now up to here, okay, everyone? Yes or no? So I need a function. You know, right? How to create the function in JavaScript? How to create a function? Function name. Okay, and open braces and closing braces. This is my function or not? Yes or no? This function has some functionality, but this functionality when you want me to execute? Come on, this functionality when you want me to execute?
When you click the button.
Whenever you click the button, right? Responding. It's not responding. Okay, just wait. Yeah. So whenever you click on the button, this function has to execute or not? Yes or no? Now tell me, if you want to call or execute a function, you know the syntax, na? Okay, what is the syntax? Tell me. What is the syntax? If you want to execute the function, what is the syntax?
Call it get users.
Call that function. Now tell me, you want to execute that functionality directly like this, or at the time of clicking on the button?
At the time of clicking button.
Clicking on the button. So this calling, don't use here. This calling, whenever you click on the button, then that time only I want or not. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Understood,
Yes.
right? How to bind an event in JavaScript. Okay, now if you come here, is it really working as expected or not? Okay, can you write one simple alert message? Okay, can you check it? Okay, now can you come here? Can I refresh the page? Now see, if I click on the get users, okay, what happened? Open with live server. Now, if I click on the get users, yes, my get users alert message visible to us or not. Okay, that means I can understand like my event triggered, my event bind with one function, right? Okay, can I say terminology wise, a event listener this is? Listen the event or not? Yes or no? Okay, this is like what? Event listener function or not? Got my point? So my event listener is able to listen my on-click event or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay, perfect. Now, whenever you click on the button, see, this can be changed. This can be changed, but the procedure will never change. This is only the procedure or not? Yes or no? Element in the open element, key value. Key is your event name, value is like your event listener or event handler or not. Agreed? Come on, tell me. Okay, then what next? Come on, what next? Whenever you click on the button, this function executed. You are the client-side developer. Think you are like a client-side engineer. Okay, what next? You have to send what? You have to send what?
Request.
Request. If you want to send a request or receive the response, you have to use which technique? Ajax. If you want to send a request, what inputs are required for you?
URL and method name.
URL and method. At this moment, that is with you or not?
No.
No. Okay. Who's supposed to be provide that URL and method?
Server.
Server side guy or not? Who is the server side guy? Okay, you have to communicate, or that guy is going to communicate with you or not. So I am the server side guy. Just I am going to share URL and method in the email. Okay, my email is something like this. Hey man, okay, get user, okay, get user API call. Okay, most of the times this one we are going to share like a Swagger. At the time of Node.js, we are going to discuss about the Swagger. Okay, get users related. One is like URL and another one is like method. Okay, so I am the server side guy, right? The URL is like something like this. Okay, URL is something like this. My method is like a get. Okay, whenever I shared or whenever you received the mail, will you ask to your server side developer, hey, can you show me the code, what you written? Is it required to you?
No.
No, right? You are expecting URL and method. What you want to do, you can do it. If it is not working as expected, then ask, okay, hey, show me the code, what you written, where exactly this is, where you deployed. That is not required at this moment. Yes or no? You required URL and method. I given or not? Yes, given. Then you can go. Whatever you want to do with that, you can do it. Yes or no? Now you have the URL and request method. Yes or no? No.
Yes.
Yes. You have URL and request method. Then you can go with what? Ajax implementation or not? Yes or no? Okay, na? Then you have to go with Ajax implementation or not. So if you want to implement the Ajax in JavaScript, how many ways? There has two ways are there. First one is like using XML HTTP request. Can you spell out? Using what?
XML HTTP request.
XML HTTP request. Okay, we can do it. Another one is like using fetch. You can do it. So simply I said like XML HTTP request. We can do it. I said. Now can you explore something more about XML HTTP request? Can you explore something more about XML HTTP request? Come on.
Yes.
Okay, tell me how we can.
Go to the console.
Go to the console. What do you want me to do?
Type XML
HTTP request. Whenever I found this by default, then I can say it's a predefined member or not. Yes or no. If you click on enter, what you can say? This is, see, I already told you, each and
Functional
every
class.
line, hundreds of lines code you write. But each and every line internally belongs to one OOPS concept or not. Yes or no? Every line, any programming language. Okay, let's go. XML HTTP request. By seeing this one, what is the type of my XML HTTP request? Come on.
Class.
Class. Perfect. It is which kind of class?
Functional.
Functional class. In your hand, one class is there. What you can do?
Create an object.
Create an object. How we can create an object?
New
Yes.
HTML.
Like this or not? If you have an object, what you can do?
Call the method.
How many methods are there? How we can come to know? How you can come to know? You know that?
Prototype.
Prototype, right? By using prototype. Prototype is what? It represents what? Inherited members of a class. Okay, these many members are there in which class? XML HTTP request. You can access these members with the XML HTTP request class object or not? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Okay, then shall we do it? Right. First, you have to create an object for which class?
XML HTTP request.
Okay, XHR. Okay, it's it's like naming convention wise. Most of the times we are going to use new XML HTTP request. Okay, done. First, if you want to send a request, okay, that means if you want to give the request to the server side guy, or if you want to give one item to me, first of all, that item you should have, right? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
So if that item, if you want, you should have means you have to prepare that item or not. So first thing is like what? You have the request object with you. So step one is what? Configure the request. Yes or no? Once it is done, you have to do what? You have to do what? Tell me. Send the request or not. Once you send the request, what is the next one?
Get the response.
Okay, in between something is happened, na? Okay, process the request by whom? Server side guy, right? Yes or no? Server side application or not? Yes or no? Next one is what? Once my process is done, what is the next one? Receive the response or not? From where? From my server side application. My response, tell me, do you think like I asked something to you? Okay, am I expecting always success, positive response from you? No, na. Yes or no? Possibilities. Maybe positive, maybe negative also or not. So my response can be a success response. My response can be an error also or not. These many things you have to handle. Agreed, everyone? Come on.
Yes.
First thing is what? You have to prepare the request. Next, you have to give that request to whom? Server side application. What my server side guy is going to do? Line number, step 3, not yours. Step 3, server side guy. Then receive the response and okay, process the request by server side application and send the response. Once you send the response, that response you have to handle it or not. You have to handle it. Understood? Come on. Up here, okay, everyone? Super good. Okay, I'm going to stop for now. Okay, tomorrow we can continue. Just join a little bit early, okay? 7 o'clock exactly. And Gayatri, you can join that workshop, okay? Mahendra, Gayatri.
Okay, sir.
10 o'clock, okay? Okay, 10 o'clock we have workshop. If anyone interested, you can join. Okay, that is like deep learning, data science related. Okay,
Thank
then.